Welcome guys, in this video we are going to talk about switch statements. In PHP we can use if conditional statements, so we also have this option to use switch statements. So I'm going to show you the example how this is different from if statements. So here if I going to type here $x and I will give it a number, so I give it a 10. So what we can do here, let's assume that you're getting some value from user and you want to execute some functionality according to the input you get. So what you can do here is you simply say switch, and now here this is a Sublime text generated automatically. What we basically do here is variable, so we are going to pass the variable, so we $x, so we can pass it here. Now what happens is, let me remove this so that you can we can do it easily. So here we simply say that okay, use $x and check for each time when this case happens. So we define cases, and the case is going to be like if case is 10, so you can say echo correct answer maybe. Okay, so we are saying here that if the value of $x is 10, then echo this. Now once you have this case set up, you're going to break it so that it doesn't go any further. So we are going to put break here. Alright, now also what I want to do, I want to put more cases in place of this. So here we can add more. So we say here 11. It's a wrong answer. 12. Wrong answer again. Let's see the difference. So here we have these three cases that we are going to check. Now in case that $x is neither not even 10, 11 or 12, so we can put a default here. So to put that, what we do here, we simply say and then the whatever you want to do. So here we can say that $x is not correct. So this is something. Now we don't need to put the break here because we are not going to execute any further cases. If you need to put more cases, you will be putting here. So the concept is quite similar, that in if statements you can check for each, like if this and if this and if this or else, but the syntax is different. In switch we simply pass a variable, and in curly braces we pass all the cases, and each case breaks once it is done so that it doesn't go any further. So if it is 10, it is going to execute here and it's going to stop here. Now if it is not going to find out any of these, it is going to go into default and we are going to get the value. So currently we have 10 showing up here. If I go here and refresh, we get correct answer. Now if I say here 12, so we get a wrong answer, correct, which is coming from here. Now in case we have something that we don't have the case, the X is not correct this time. So we get X is not correct. So this is the switch statements, how you use in PHP. You will be seeing this used in code in the coming videos, and these are very useful. You should do the practice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And